What's up, guys? Jacob here. One of the subscribers, Zion Hughes, recommended that I watch a video, Plain Lands in Windy Conditions by the Hodgtwins. Let's get into it.
Hey man, I want to talk to y'all about these planes out there in Spain. Shit got real bad. Weather conditions. Fuck it. Out the way. What's up, everybody?
Oh, Keith always has to take control. Get these videos moving.
We came across this video, right? Yeah, shit was crazy. Somebody was recording. It was real heavy windy conditions. Yeah. Right? These planes was trying to land at this airport in Spain.
Gosh.
Yeah, that shit looked like a real bad science fiction movie. Fucking planes was doing this and shit, and I was like, man, this can't be real. This is like some badass special effects. This got real dangerous. I wonder what it been like to be on this plane, cause looking out the, I'm one of them motherfuckers on my plane. I'm like looking out the windows. Like I'll be like this, you know, man. I'll be like this. I get kind of nervous when I'm landing. I hold the armrest. I'm like this. You know, like, hold up, man. Something's going on, man. We're gonna crash. Cause if I was on this plane, man, I'd have lost my nerves, man. Plane doing all this and shit. Motherfuckers looking around, I'd have got nervous real quick. But you know what, man? If I was the pilot of this plane, yeah, if I had my certification, this is how I'd have handled it. Air traffic control, this is Pilot Hodge on flight 297. Come in, over. Go ahead, Pilot Hodge. Man, this shit's crazy out here, man. Wind's blowing, man. This shit's gonna get rough. That's a big 10-4 there, Pilot Hodge. Turn around, let the winds simmer down. Fuck that, that's a negative there, air traffic control. I'm fitting to slam this bitch. I got some sugar walls at the house with some soul food. I'm slamming this motherfucker. Then I get over the intercom, then air traffic control come back and say, hey, Pilot Hodge, you do not have permission. You do not have permission. Like, fuck you. Motherfucker, stop me, bitch. I get over the intercom, says, hey, everybody, it's Pilot Hodge speaking. Shit's getting crazy. Shit just got serious. Wind's blowing. I'm gonna have to slam this bitch. Put your belts on, cause I'm finna drop this bitch on the hydraulics. T-minus and 10 and counting. 10, 9, fuck it. We finna crash.
Hodgtwins, bitches.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. He said, we're finna cry. Oh my god. Thanks for recommending that one, guys. Just like and subscribe, comment down below what you want to see some more of, and recommend some more stuff like that, because that shit's funny.